We start on the line with our right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn right and sway. Cross behind and in front. Sway, sway. Once again. 9. Turn right. Raise your hands. Behind. In front. Sway, sway. Turn right. Second part. Cha-cha on the line. Cross left. Then cha-cha outside back to the center. We go facing in cha-cha. Cross, 2 steps, and left yemenite. Chorus part. Walk forward with your right. Right, back yemenite. Turn left and left cha-cha to the right. To the left half turn, back to the center. Now with left, left, back yemenite. Turn right, cha-cha, left cha-cha. Right cha-cha, half turn, and ending sway, heel and change, sway, heel and change, step, rush cha-cha, step, rush cha-cha. Everything goes from the beginning, and the end of the next we have our chorus part, the hands go up, thank you.